Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're beginning by ensuring power and proximity. This matters because pairing requires direct line of sight and reliable battery. Once the Apple TV is awake, press and hold the menu and right buttons for 6 seconds to initiate pairing mode. You'll see a spinning icon on screen. Make sure any other remotes are set aside so the TV listens only to the one in your hand. This first action establishes the secure Bluetooth handshake between devices, so don't rush it. Now you execute the core sequence. Press and hold the menu and right buttons until the on-screen message confirms remote connected or shows a code. This command tells the Apple TV to accept a new controller. If a code appears, use the remote to enter or verify it. That step authenticates communication and prevents accidental cross-pairing with nearby devices. Once you see the confirmation, release the buttons. Make sure indicators on the remote respond. Tactile feedback means the signal was received. Finish by testing navigation. Press Home, swipe, and select an app to verify responsiveness. This confirms the remote is both paired and functional. If controls lag or don't respond, restart the Apple TV and repeat the pairing sequence because a reboot clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, unpair other remotes or perform a remote reset by holding menu and left for 6 seconds. That removes old links and lets you pair cleanly. Once working, you're done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.